Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on your laptop. So to adjust sound volume, simply click on these three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen and then move this slider either to the left to decrease the sound volume or to the right to increase it. Now the easier way to do this is by using your function keys, and the function keys for adjusting the sound volume are F2 for decreasing the sound volume and F3 for increasing it. Now F1 also disables your volume fully, and in case all of these buttons don't do anything for you, you can use the combination of Fn key that is located next to the Windows key. So Fn key and escape at the same time, just press them at the same time and then try using the function keys again. And they should start functioning. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.